People will tell you, save 1 crore and your retirement is done. Just 1 crore and you are set for life. But here's the truth nobody tells you. With the kind of life you'll actually live after you retire, 1 crore finishes in about 2 years. 2 years after that, nothing. At the age of 70, so how much do you really need? Let's do the math, the brutal math. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple 4-step formula. You can run it on your own numbers in 90 seconds. Just you, your expenses, and a calculator that tells you the truth. What 1 crore is really worth after 30 years. The one thing that slowly eats your retirement, the real amount you need, and exactly how much to invest based on your age. Take a screenshot wherever you need. Now let's start. First, where did this 1 crore idea even come from? Around 20-30 years ago, 1 crore was a huge amount. In 1995, 1 crore could easily take care of a whole family, so that number got fixed in our heads. But here's the problem the numbers stayed the same, prices did not. Let's check it properly. You are not retiring today, you'll retire in 2055. So the real question is not what 1 crore buys today, it's what 1 crore buys then. And the answer, your big scary 1 crore, 30 years later, will be worth only about 13 lakh in today's money. That's not a retirement fund. That's enough for a second-hand car. And now the real shock. After you retire, your yearly expenses will be around 45 lakh. So 1 crore against a 45 lakh a year life. Last you just 2 years. 1 crore was never the answer. It was an old number from an old time. Let's find the real one. Now, meet the real villain of this video. It's not market crash. It's not share market. It's this. Slow, boring. You can't even see it, but it quietly doubles your cost of living every 10 years. Today, you spend 50,000 a month. Normal, middle class, nothing extra. Now watch what that same life cost at the age of 60. Same house, same life, same dal and two vegetables. 3.8 lakh every month. That's around 45 lakh a year just to live the way you live today. And I'm being kind by taking only 7% because the things you spend on when you get older, hospital bills, medicines, help at home, all of these rise even faster. Your grocery bill is the easy part of getting old. Retirement planning is not about today's expenses. It's about today's expenses after they grow. Now let's build a real number. 4 steps, that's the full formula. Take a screenshot. Step 1, grow today's expense till retirement. 50,000 becomes 3.8 lakh a month, about 45 lakh a year. Step 2, multiply that by around 22. Step 3, that's your target amount. Step 4, work backwards to find your monthly SIP. Not 1 crore, 10 crore. If you want your money to last till 90, not 85, the number becomes around 11 crore. So 10 crore is the actual hopeful number. Now the last step, working backwards towards your monthly SIP. This is the part where it can get personal, and this can also spoil some people's mood. Same target for everyone. 10 crore by the age of 60. Same returns. 12% while you invest. But only one number changes. It's the age you start. Here's how much you must invest every single month. Start at 25, around 15,000 a month, like a phone EMI. Very easy. Start at 30, 28,000. Still okay. At 35, 53,000. Now it hurts. At 40, more than 1 lakh. Every month for 20 years. Look at that list again. From 25 to 30, it hardly changes. After 35, it jumps fast. And at 45, it's 2 lakh a month. And for most middle class people, that's not an SIP. On a normal salary, that's not possible. Look at that list again. From 25 to 30, it hardly changes. After 35, it jumps fast. That's the power of compounding. It works for you only if you give it a time. Waste the time and it works against you just as hard. Now, the most brutal number in this whole video, it's not 10 crore. Everyone reaches the same 10 crore. But look at how much of it is your own money and how much is a gift from the market. Start at 25. You put in only about 65 lakh from your pocket. Time does the rest. Start at 45. You put in 3.6 crore from your own pocket. 5.5 times more money just to reach the exact same place. This is the price you pay for waiting, not to government, but to time itself. And if I'll start next year is going on your mind right now, just 1 year of waiting cost you 13 lakh. Not starting is not a small thing. It's the most expensive decision in this whole video. So here's the real answer. It's not 1 crore. For a 30-year-old, spending 50,000 a month today, it's 10 crore by the age of 60. And the thing that decides whether it feels scary or easy, it's not your salary. It's the age you start. Now, the honest part, I'm just a person with a spreadsheet. I'm not a financial advisor. Every number here we arrived at is based on some assumptions, and returns are never guaranteed. So, you run your own numbers and don't copy my numbers. And if this open your eyes even a little, just wait till the next one. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. I'll see you there.